Alrighty, we are on page 3 of our binomial expansion notes. Alright, now we're going to put the two things that we have learned from pages 1 and 2 together. Alright, so when we want to expand, what we're going to do, we have a new variable and it's k. If I want to find the kth term, there we go. If I want to find the kth term, my formula is n over k subtract 1 with a to the, I'm gonna write it above the box because I write kind of big. Let's zoom in there so you can see it. So this will be n minus k minus 1. That's a to this power, and then b to the k subtract 1. Okay, here's something that you should note. Exponents always add to n. This is important because that way you can see if you made a mistake before you get started. Okay? Exponents always add to equal n. If they don't, then you know you've done something wrong. Okay? So let's expand 2a subtract 3 to the 5th power. Okay? Alrighty. So, we've got 5 over 0, 2a to the 5th times negative 3 to the 0 plus 5 and 1 2a to the 4th times negative 3 to the 1st plus 5 and 2 2a to the 3rd negative 3 squared plus 5 and 3 2a squared negative 3 to the 3rd. I'm going to run out of space. Plus, I'm going to go down here, 5 and 4, 2a to the 1st, negative 3 to the 4th, plus 5 and 5, 2a to the 0, negative 3 to the 5th. Okay? Now, we have to multiply all of this out, which is simple multiplication, so it's not bad, right? So let's review here real quick before I do the next step. Okay, so remember up here, I have a term to a power. So this right here, whatever the n is, 0 goes on the bottom, right? So this is my first term. Okay, this part right here, n, whatever n is, and then the first. So this is my second term. This is my third term, and then so on. This will be n plus 1. Okay. All right. So notice, remember this, exponents always add to n. Our n for this question is 5. Okay, so 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. Okay, so you want to check yourself on that before you do this next step to make sure you haven't put something in the wrong place. All right. So the numbers right here, notice they match my exponents, right? 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 5, 1, that's my first one. 5, 2, that's my second. 5, 3, that's my third. Okay, so that goes with my terms. All right, so let's multiply this out. 2 to the 5th power, so that's 32. A to the 5th, subtract 240. A to the 4th, plus 720. A to the 3rd, subtract 1080. A squared, plus 810. A, subtract 243. Two to the 4th times negative 3. 2 cubed times negative 3 squared. Then we had 2 squared times 3, negative 3 cubed. And so on. Are we good? All right, let's try the next one. Actually, I'm going to run out of time, so I'm going to have to put the next one on another video. All right, so let's stop right there.